Latvian-based airline SmartLynx Airlines has been operating for over 33 years, founded in 1992. The airline started its operations in 1993 using Tupolev Tu-134s, and then in 2003 their first Airbus A320 was brought into the fleet. Since then, the airline has grown to a fleet of over 57 aircraft, operating for many airlines across Europe and around the world, with various subsidiaries including different ones in Australia, Malta, Estonia, Thailand and Italy. The airline has had much success operating for the likes of EasyJet and, when they were still in service, Thomas Cook, Monarch Airlines and many more. From the outside, it looks as though the airline has gone from strength to strength in recent years after successful partnerships with the likes of EasyJet, and during the pandemic it operated various different cargo and freight flights. In 2022, the airline celebrated its 30th anniversary. However, all of this was brought to an abrupt end on the 24th of November 2025 when the Latvian carrier announced that it would cease operations immediately. Financial difficulty has resulted in the airline grounding its entire fleet of Airbus A320 and even a newly delivered 737 MAX. It is a real shame to see that the Latvian carrier has ceased operations, as they were frequently seen on different charter flights, and as you can see in this video, I've seen them quite a few times throughout Europe, including at Tenerife, Manchester, up home at Newcastle and various other places as well. I hope you enjoy the footage, and again, another airline that has gone under in 2025. Very sad news indeed. Thanks for watching the video.
That's correct. Flight 2, cross runway 30 behind landing traffic, let down a Cessna 51, Lima Victor, make right to Echo, taxi stand 10.
Okay, to the right by Echo, taxi stand 10, control by 1 Lima.
Pick up car Sierra, departing orbit. Pick up car Sierra.